Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make shot division. Shot division is the process of breaking down a scene into individual camera angles. This crucial step helps you plan camera placement and movement effectively. By carefully dividing your shots, you can enhance your storytelling and control the pacing of your narrative. Always consider character blocking and the emotional beats of the scene to guide your choices. When dividing shots, several principles are key. Always maintain consistent screen direction to keep your audience oriented. Varying shot sizes, from wide to close-up, creates visual interest and emphasizes different aspects of the scene. The 180-degree rule is vital for spatial continuity, preventing jarring cuts. Also, plan enough coverage to give your editor options. Different shot types serve distinct purposes in your division. Wide shots are excellent for establishing the setting and showing the overall environment. Medium shots are perfect for capturing character interactions and subtle body language. Close-ups are powerful for highlighting emotions or important details. Over-the-shoulder shots effectively link two characters in a conversation, maintaining their connection. To apply shot division, start by breaking your script into individual scenes. For each scene, visualize the action and determine the best camera angles to tell the story. Create storyboards or a detailed shot list to document your plan. This visual guide is invaluable for production. Finally, review and refine your division to ensure it flows well and serves your narrative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.